The various types of enclosures in case of pressure vessel. So for cylindrical pressure vessel, when they are closed at the ends, there are two types of heads are used. The first type of head is flat head and the second type of head is called as a form head. So heads are either bolted or welded with a main vessel shell. So you can see from the diagram how the flat head looks like. The flat heads are simple and they are used when only small diameter vessels are considered. They are also used for manhole covers for low pressure vessel and as a cover for small openings. So you can see the formula for thickness of flathead. So it is 0.7 di into under root of pi upon sigma allowable plus c. Now again there are further different types of enclosure. The next type is form head. So you can see various types of form heads are used for industrial applications and they are fabricated from single circular plates by forming. So the types are plain form heads, toruspherical dish heads, semi-elliptical dish heads, hemispherical head and conical head. So let us discuss about the enclosures in case of pressure vessel. So the first is plain form head. So all the students please please observe the figure carefully. So you can see here the thickness of head is shown by TH, the internal diameter DI, then RIC, that is inner corner radius, and SF is going to be the straight flange length. So for plane formed head, the horizontal cylindrical storage vessels which are going to store the substance at atmospheric pressure. They are also used for bottom ends of vertical and cylindrical pressure vessel that rest on concrete wall, and when diameter it should not be greater than 7 meters. So the value of TH is equal to 0.4 di under root of pi upon sigma allowable plus c. So where RIC is going to be the inside corner radius or knuckle radius and it is greater than or equal to 0.1 times di. SF is equal to straight flange length. So this SF you can consider it as a 3th or 20 mm, whichever larger. So the next type is toruspherical dish head. So you can see the figure here. For the toruspherical dish head, you can see the various parameter. RC corner radius, RIC internal corner radius, SF straight flange length, then TH will be the thickness of head, then B is going to be the width which is measured from the horizontal axis. So you can see the formulas for toruspherical dish head. So this type of heads are used when horizontal or vertical pressure vessels are going to be used when the pressure range is between 0.1 MPa to 1.5 MPa. So let us consider the formulas. TH is equal to KFPI RC upon 2 sigma allowable into efficiency minus 0.2 Pi plus C, where Kf is equal to 1 by 4 into bracket 3 plus under root of RC upon RIC, where say RC you can consider it as a stress intensification factor. For his head, 0.5 di less than RC less than di, this is going to be the range, and RIC is equal to 0.006 RC. So let us consider Kf is equal to 1.77, which when we are going to put into the above equation, so let Th is equal to 0.885 pi Rc upon sigma allowable into efficiency of longitudinal joint minus 0.1 into pi plus c. So these are the formulas for toruspherical D shades.